everyone, my name is Vanessa at the Bridgewater Public Library, and I really encourage you guys to check out Hoopla. That is offered through our website, and it is access to another website and mobile app where you can download ebooks and audiobooks, music, movies, TV shows, and comics and graphic novels. So it's really great. You're allowed to check out 4 items per month. Also through Hoopla, there's something called bonus borrows where you can get some bonus items to check out that don't count towards the 4-item limit. And it's very easy to create an account. I'm going to show you how to do that. You're going to go to Bridgewater Public Library's website, which is at bridgewaterpubliclibrary.org. And then under Resources, you're going to click Downloads. And then when you're here, you're going to click on Hoopla. And then when you're here, you're going to click Get Started Today to sign up for an account. And you will put in your personal email address. You're going to confirm that so that it matches. And then you're going to put in a personal password of your choosing. And it'll ask you to type that password in again just to confirm it. Then you're going to click Agree. And then here, you're going to choose your library. So I'm going to search for Bridgewater Public Library and choose that here, and then click Next. Here's where you'll type your library card number that's listed on the back of your card under the barcode. When you type it in, do not include the spaces. You don't want the spaces. And then you'll click Sign Me Up. It's that easy. I already have an account, so I'm going to go ahead and just log in right here by putting in my email address and password. All right, so I've put in my email and password. I'm going to click Login. And when you're here, this will bring you to Hoopla. If you only want to see kid-friendly material titles, right at this where it says Kids Off, if you click here, it will turn it on, and that will just show you kid-friendly titles. So that's a neat feature. Also, you can search here and limit by the format that you're interested in, whether it's music or ebooks. You can search by series or author. I've created a favorites list. So when you pull up a title, there's a heart icon, and it will let you favorite an item. And that's a neat way to keep track of things you're interested in reading or listening to. You can see this little heart here. So everything that is in my favorites list is because I had selected that heart icon after I had searched for it. I really recommend some of these great items. You can listen to an audiobook like Harry Potter, or read a great comic like New Kid, which won the Newbery and is a graphic novel that was the first one to win a Newbery. Read an ebook such as the Star Wars The Mandalorian, or Legos, or The Good Egg, Minecraft. There's some really great stuff. Even the new Diary of a Wimpy Kid, The Deep End, or a classic like The Giver, Lois Lowry, and great movies to watch too. Anne of Green Gables, How to Catch an Elf, Don't Let the Pigeon Drive the Bus, Magic School Bus TV show, or Arthur. We've got some really great popular titles here. So I hope you check out Hoopla. Enjoy!